Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me for what is a significant day for Nokia. The networking technology we lead in is increasingly needed by customers and partners in every industry. But in order to transform industries as quickly as possible, the underlying networks themselves will need to evolve. The qualities of traditional networking needs to integrate the flexibility and scalability of cloud. When networks meet cloud, this will unleash the full promise of the industrial, enterprise and consumer metaverses, which until now have only shown a glimpse of their full true potential. And as we fulfill these new requirements for our customers, we see opportunity to grow, expand into adjacencies and transform our business models. Going forward, our business priorities include 6 pillars and 4 enablers. Pillar number 1, grow our CSP business faster than the market. The market CAGR is expected to be roughly 1% between now and 2027. So that means that puts the onus on Nokia to take share from our competitors. And I do believe there is now a unique opportunity for us to do that. Pillar number 2, expand the share of enterprise in our customer mix. Our enterprise business stands currently at around 2 billion euros top line. That represents about 8% of our revenue. We want that percentage to reach double digits as quickly as possible. Third pillar, continue to manage our portfolio actively to ensure path to a leading position in all segments where we decide to compete. We have already achieved market leadership in many areas like passive optical networks and private wireless. But even more of our products and services need to be number 1 or number 2. This is critical for profitable and sustainable business. Fourth pillar, secure business longevity in Nokia technologies. This is one of the key drivers of our performance. High margins and high predictability. We are investing to secure a market-leading patent portfolio in 5G Advanced and 6G. Then the fifth pillar, it is to build new business models. As a service, business models give our customers exactly what they want, which is practical solutions with a low barrier to entry and extreme consumability. We are developing more products and services with this in mind. And the sixth pillar is to develop ESG into a competitive advantage. There is space in our industry for someone to become the trusted provider of choice. And we believe that Nokia can and should claim this space. Underneath them sit 4 enablers. Enabler 1 is developing future-fit talent. Enabler 2 is investing in long-term research in key domains such as 6G, but also to maintain our leadership in crucial areas such as IP and optics. Enabler 3 is digitalizing our own operations. Last, but definitely not least, enabler number 4, our brand. It's time to claim the space we already lead in and reframe how our customers and partners view us. This is Nokia, but not as the world has seen us before.
We've been adapting to change for over 150 years. Now, we're driving the next evolution, where networks meet cloud, alive with intelligence, enabling people, machines, and devices to interact in real time like never before. And making high-performance connectivity more consumable, adaptable, autonomous, open to innovation, to collaboration, networks that sense, think, and act. Because by working together with service providers, enterprises, and the world, we can create a more sustainable, productive, accessible future. By accelerating the impact of digital to reach people, places, and industries that have never been reached before. That demands more than change. That demands transformation. For us, that means pushing further with a clear vision and a new logo that symbolizes our purpose. Because it's only when all the right pieces act together that brilliance happens. The precision of tech leadership, the dynamism of a new digital era, and the kaleidoscopic colors of innovation. This is Nokia, but not as the world has seen us before. We've always connected people. Now, we create technology that helps the world act together.
The new brand signals who we are today, a B2B technology innovation leader, and it articulates our role in delivering the next evolution in critical networking through networks that sense, think, and act. The new brand is a sign to our customers that we understand both the scale of the digital and green opportunity, and also how to get there. And it will address the fact that a significant part of the world still, for understandable historical reasons, sees us as a consumer brand. We need to change that perception and shift focus onto the Nokia of today.
This new brand, this new deflection, this emanates from the vision, the future. So I'd like to talk to you guys about what that is. This is the new age of digitalization. Today, the traffic is dominated in the networks with smartphone video on this device. Our estimate is that after 2027, the network traffic will be dominated by extended reality. In other words, through metaverses. In our categorization, consumer metaverse is for social entertainment gaming. Enterprise metaverse is for immersive collaboration at workplace. Remote working is for trainings. And when it comes to industrial metaverse, the one that we are most excited about is where physical industries get digitalized through immersion. The industrial metaverse is growing much faster than the consumer metaverse. Now is the time, our belief is, that for those businesses and enterprises and industries to start envisioning what their metaverse-driven strategies would look like.
Let's take a look at what we are launching here for mobile networks in Mobile World Congress 23. HABROC, our next generation massive MIMO radio family. The overall theme with HABROC radios using 5nm technology for the first time in our radios, it is about reducing the size, reducing the weight, reducing the power consumption, but still delivering the best performance. Another one is AnyRAN. AnyRAN is the most versatile Cloud RAN solution in the market. If we are to reap the benefits of cloud computing in Cloud RAN, you have to work with the industry leaders who bring their particular technology assets. More than that, our customers, they have their own preferences. Some want to work with HPE, some others with Dell, some with Quanta. Whatever it is, we're going to be able to support the server hardware with our AnyRAN solution. Cloud RAN will coexist with purpose-built or classic radio. And that's why it's important that we have feature parity, performance parity, coverage parity, all the right things between the purpose-built radio and Cloud RAN. Now, let's see what else we have here in Mobile World Congress. So, as Pekka said, we have PSE-6, our 6th generation coherent optical. 1.2 terabits per second in a single wavelength. Take AVA, Customer and Mobile Networks Insights. So, this is about the analytics, the data analytics, AI and ML, to come up with the so what's and some insights to action on improving network performance. We are boosting the capabilities of our MIXI, MX Industrial Edge solution. So this is where the private wireless networks and operations technology meet. Beacon 10, easy to remember, 10 for 10 gigabits per second. So this is our Wi-Fi 6E solution for high-capacity mesh networks for the era of 10 gigabits per second. And I guess there's more. We are not a one-trick pony, it seems.